The origins of information technology can be traced back to the 19th century, when mechanical innovations first introduced the idea of programmable machines. In 1801, Joseph Jacquard invented the Jacquard loom, which used punched cards to automatically control weaving patterns. Building upon that concept, Charles Babbage designed the analytical engine in 1833, a theoretical mechanical computer. Ada Lovelace, often regarded as the world's first programmer, wrote the first algorithm intended for Babbage's machine in 1843. Later in 1890, Herman Hollerith developed the tabulating machine to process U.S. Census data using punched cards. Each of these inventions introduced concepts that define modern IT systems. Jacquard loom programmability inspired early computer programming and input-output mechanisms. Babbage's analytical engine architecture foreshadowed CPU and software-controlled systems. Ada Lovelace software and algorithms forms the basis of modern software, AI, and automation. Hollerith's tabulator, data processing and storage evolved into today's analytics platforms. Today's information technology is a direct evolution of these 19th century ideas about how machines can store, process, and interpret information.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to IT Multiverse Gen Z for more tech insights.